Damn, there's a lot of noise. Okay. I'm sorry. Hello. Today we are gonna be playing some more Animal Jam. Sorry I haven't been doing this in so long, but I swear it will continue throughout the years if I have time. And I haven't been uploading that much because school, and more school, and now that it's my second day in middle school. Dude, you have to run to the lunch lines. Like, seriously, who does that? Huh. I guess we'll have to find out. Only male crickets can chirp. Oh. The females are shy. Get away from me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me with your... Look at all this paparazzi. Yeah, everybody done. Everybody's done. Whoever joins, I'm gonna give a shout out to them. What the heck is that woman doing? I think she thinks that I'm a boy. Okay, whoever starts dancing, I'm gonna give a shout out to them. And if you could get Animal Jam, then please look for me when I'm on, and I'll give you and I might give a schedule video of my stuff and all that. So, the blue whale weighs as much as 200 tons or 33 elephants. Damn. Can I find anything here? Epic wonder. I like that one. It's so big. Sports car. I have a animalini. And sorry, I bad pronunciation. So, awesome. Dude, this guy looks so awesome. Come on, please be my friend. Please be my friend, you mother. Dude, I swear, if you're not my friend, then who are you? Okay, the Toronto. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, I have one for the bunny. Yes, I have a bunny. Yay. So that is not gonna go with my bunny. That's not gonna go with my bunny. Yay! No! Dude, but I have one. Dude, the one that he's had. Not the one that he's had. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna buy a monkey next time. So okay. Did the guy answer my friend request? Dude, are you my friend or not? Dude, are you gonna be my friend or not? Dude, I swear this guy. Mystical wolf. Okay. Let me see. Do I have any pets? Nope. Dude, I swear that looks nothing. I'm gonna put on my top hat because I look like a boss with it. I'm a boss and I don't care. Dude, is this guy buying everything in the market or what? What should I buy? Should I buy gold talon? Last time. But I'm gonna try them on. Okay. Oh my god, no. Okay. Dude, I like the one before it.
Is your phone ringing?
Is your phone ringing? No. Okay.
Oh my god. I hate when like the phone rings and then like when you come, like you barely come. It's like it turns off. So you're doing a video? Oh. Excuse me.
People intrude. People are such awkward people like me. This guy looks like a boss. Duchess Frozen Fox. Oh yeah, and yeah, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna like say hi. Hi. Did I move this? Meetings. Let's play a game. Hi. Okay. I'll invite her to a game. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna move this down because it's just gonna get tense. If you guys don't know this game, technically you have to find matches. Like, swipe to rotate the cube to see. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's already winning. Oh yeah, and the easy thing about this, you can rotate it, so technically I already won. Dude, I used to be a master at this. Like, now I'm a noob. Noob! Everybody, hashtag noob. Hashtag noob. She won. So look at those dances though. Dude, that dance though. Some chameleons have tongues that are longer than their bodies. Oh my gosh. I like chameleons. They are awesome. Play again. Dude, she probably... No way. Dude, does she accept it? I'm gonna get up on her nerves, like seriously. Okay. This time I'm gonna win. 250 gems. Nose horn. Okay. I know I said that I was gonna get up all up in her nerves. Like, yeah. Oh my god. Say hi. Okay. Bye. There will be a part 2. Bye.